Good afternoon. We're back. We'll level the rifle using the Wheeler Engineering bubble level set. We'll use the Wheeler Engineering toolkit to mount the scope with the torque screwdriver, and we'll torque them down to 15 foot-inches to show we don't break anything. Stay tuned. We'll be right back. As you can see, we used the two 1-inch bars, and they're centered tip to tip. The bubbles are centered left to right, front to back. Now we'll just mount the scope and get it all finished up. The Tipton gun vise, very handy gun vise to clean firearms, mount scopes. You can break your AR style rifles down. It has a brace for that. That's right there. You can lock it in place. You guys should check it out. All right, we're back, folks. Now we're just leveling the gaps up on the scope rings. Don't want it to look like an old cheapo. And you go back in a category manner, so everything stays nice and even. Oop. Gotta loosen them up. Gotta get that gap right. Probably blocking y'all's vision. Now we're going to set the fat wrench up 15 pounds. And just pull down and turn till you get to the desired setting. As you can see, 15. And you just turn. And it breaks over. And that's all you do. Whoop-choo. You get them on them big jobs. Remember, go catty corner, just like putting your lug nuts in your tires for those that know how to change tires. Boy, it'll shoot fire. There it is, complete. Still got the top rings marked front and rear, because these are lapped to the rear and front scope rings. That'll do it for today. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, enjoy. Till next time.